Hello and welcome to the last series or the last video in this series. Here we'll be adding a another page which will be called as data export. It will basically have all the contents if anyone wants to download the data. So let's go and duplicate the page and we'll name it as data export. Okay. Now here what we'll be doing is we will be keeping this. Need to remove this one, don't need. If you need, we will do later on. Remove this one, remove this one, and this one as well. You will have basically two tables which will be having all the data which we want to show here as well. One will be organization wise and one will be country wise. Okay, here we have that. Okay, and a little bit smaller, it's too big. Now this should go on top. Yeah, yes, and it will be called as export. Country should go here. Rate of incident should go here. Print type should also go here. Okay, right. Yeah, and this will a this will a bit lower. Yeah, and we will have this. Keep it like this. We can have this one a bit different format, which we can show as not between. It's a drop down list. Okay, the drop down list, what we can show, rate of incidents. Rate of incident will have year, month and date. Let's remove this, and yes, yeah, it's working fine. Perfect. You can decrease this so it will have this space. Perfect, and you can remove this one. And now we can expand this till the right. Okay, now let's work on the first one. It will be a country wise. Okay, so print type and subtype. Let's remove this, and you can pick the country here. Okay, now do you have any filter by default applied here? No. Good. Now what we will be adding in the country, that is number of incidents. Okay, percentage of global terror, it is already I think same one we have already added. It will be percentage of terror. Okay, after that people killed and kill we can add here. Then we can add mm, terrorist, how many terrorists have been killed so far, wounded and wounded and terrorist, and how many successful attacks, how much they have done it, and how many are suicide bombers. Okay, uh, attacks claimed. Okay, how many attacks have been claimed so far? Um, number of multiple attacks. We already have here multiple. Is there any multiple attacks like World Trade Center was multiple attack? Three attacks were done simultaneously. Mumbai, um, that Taj Hotel attack was multiple attacks done on several points. So it's let's rename this number of instances killed. Okay, and then here this will be your killed, and then this will be your people wounded. Wounded. Basically, terrorist wounded means how many were got. Attacks, suicide bombers. The number of attacks claimed. Okay, of multiple attacks. We'll remove my here. Yeah, it is here. Okay, now here we are, and just need to give make some space. We can have this. Yes, perfect. And with more space here will be nice. Yes. They can squeeze this a bit. Very big. This one as well. Not the third row. Okay. And then we can have this one last. Yes. And yeah. Number of so Iraq, then Pakistan, Afghanistan, then India is in the fourth. Okay. So this is the data, and we need to change the title. We can add title if you want. Then we can add title naming organization wise. This one we are changing for this. So let's go here. Title will be organization wise data export. What you can tell it simple. Okay, we have here. Now if we want, then we can extend this a bit below, a bit smaller. We can do it. So let me we have space and we can expand this till okay. Yes, and then expand this. Here we will be adding the country wise. You already have, we have organization wise. Okay, so organization wise almost all data is there. We need to add few of them. People killed, terrorist killed, okay, people wounded, we have successful attacks, we have suicide bombers, we have number of attacks claimed, we need to add it, number of attacks claimed, okay, number of attacks claimed, we can add it, and multiple attacks, okay. So this is how we can name it, number of attacks claimed, okay, of number of multiple attacks. Okay, we have need to expand this a bit. And it's taking space, so we can squeeze this a bit, this one as well, because we need more space because the names of the terrorist nations are very long, so we can, yes, and here we can squeeze our space here, and this one as well. This one should be big, should be equal, even, or not even, yeah, that should be almost even. This one a bit, yes, almost even, and then we can expand this because the names are pretty long. Yeah, so here we have nation title, nation data. So we can, this is the data, we have created table. If anyone wants to export this data, so what you can do, just go here, click and export data, and you will have a data in this CSV file. Then you can save in any location where you want. Okay, same goes for this table as well. You can export that data, and if you want to export any particular year, then also you can, you will have the data multiple years if you want, then you can. Okay, so, and any particular weapon type which has been used, so yeah, chemical, so you can just do that. Now coming to the last part, we need to fix the uh, or yes, all the three. We need to rename them and our properties effect is fine. We need to name them title. Okay, so we need to change the names here. Yes, style we will view it will be hotspot world. Okay, we have this and we need to check the action where it is taking us. Not global view, it should be this one. So yes, we are done. Yes, need to make it much bigger. You can keep it as it is, and if you want then you can just increase the size and make sure all the sizes are equal so it will look better. We will copy this, paste twice so that we can have two copies. One should sit here perfectly, yes. The other one should sit here, perfect. And we need to change the name. This should be explosive and tax. Okay, same goes here. If you want then you can just expand it, and we need to change the image to here. To this we can, let's first change to data export and style. Okay, now we have here. Now let's test all of the three. Here we are, control and click, it's taking us here. If you want then you can just click here, back the index page, explosive, and again back to our page, data export. It's working fine. And global view, here we are. Okay, so this is the dashboard, or you can say report, which is on the global terrorism. Analyze it. So let me know how it looks. It's, I know it's a basic one, okay, because I got a request to have one just for a basic, for just for beginners, so it was just a basic one for them. Do comment and let me know that which type of data you would like to analyze. Okay, so till the next video, enjoy and be happy. Thank you.